Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Raphiat. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are absolutely welcome. On this channel, I share easy to follow recipes and share essential kitchen tips that will help you to upscale your experience in the kitchen from 0 to 100. So today's video is going to be a totally different one because I'm going to be sharing with you the many interesting ways in which you can use your food processor. Just look at many things, all the things you have been able to create using just one kitchen appliance. You can use it to blend your pepper, roughly blend it. You can use it to chop your onions, your cucumbers, you can use it to knead, you can use it to shred. It's a multi-purpose appliance. So come along and let's dive into the video on how you can use this kitchen appliance. So before we move to the deal of the day, I'm going to be showing you all the accessories that came with the processor. There we have the mixing bowl. The bowl is where you will pour in all your ingredients. It is a 1200 ml capacity bowl. So inside it is where you will pour whatever you want to knead, whatever you want to chop or slice. That is where you pour it inside. It also came with a kneading blade. This is used for kneading. You can also use it to pound your yam. This is the cutting blade. This cutting blade can be used to roughly blend your pepper. You can use it to shred your cabbage. You can use it to roughly blend your onions. It is a very versatile blade. It also has a protector which protects the blade because the blade is really very sharp. So you need to be careful. So after every use, you replace that protector and try to maintain it. The pusher is used to push in your food while you are blending or while you are kneading or whatever you are doing. You use the pusher to push in whatever you are doing. Another thing that made me love this processor is the citrus juicer that came with it. So this citrus juicer, it already has a strainer inside whereby when you juice out your citrus fruit, it helps you to strain out the shaft. And the cone is where you are going to place upon the citrus juicer and apply pressure while you are juicing out your fruits. That is the cup lid. This is the lid you use to cover the bowl, the processing bowl. So whenever you are using it, so once you place it upon the bowl, you make sure you lock it in, because if you don't lock it in properly, it will not work. This is the blade adapter. So anytime you want to use your food processor, you are going to place this inside your mixing bowl, then attach any of the blade that you want to use, either the sharp blade or the blunt one. So you click it in. Once you hear the click sound, that means it has stationed in properly. So if it is not properly placed inside, the processor will not work. This is the drive shaft. The drive shaft is one of the major important elements in the food processor. So without this drive shaft, nothing can happen whenever you want to use this processor. So the drive shaft is what you are going to place on top of the motor engine. Then you place your cup on top of the drive shaft. You click in your blade on top of the blade adapter. Position it properly. Make sure you lock in the bowl properly on top of the motor engine before you start using. this is the blade retainer. This is where the blade is going to be attached. The blade retainer and the drive shaft works together, and all you have to do is to attach the blade together like this, then you are good to go. It came with 3 other blades, like the chopping blade, the slicing blade, the one you can also use for your potato chips. This is the emulsifying disc. It is used for emulsifying ingredients. In situation where you want to make your egg white fluffy, you can use this. You can also use it to make mayonnaise, and also you can use it to whip your cream as well. So with what I've been able to show you today, you will agree with me that every home needs this essential cooking appliance. So watch me as I practicalize the many ways you can use the food processor. Here, I'll be showing you how you can use the chopping blade, the sharp blade, to blend your meat. So you just transfer the meat into the cup, that is the processing bowl. You attach the cup lid on top of it. Make sure you lock the cup lid, you lock it in properly. Then you turn on the knob. In a matter of seconds, the meat will be blended. As in, if you see the texture, it's like an industrial, where you go to the industrial shop to blend your meat. See how the food processor did the job so neatly and nice. Oh, I love this processor, and I didn't regret getting it. So I'm going to show you the next thing you can also use this processor to do. So I'm still using the sharp blade. So I'm going to practicalize how you can also use it to roughly blend your pepper. Like when you want to do your atadidin, or you want to do that pepper that you don't want it to be fully blended well. So this chopping blade, the cutting blade, is what you will need. Make sure you attach the cup lid properly. Ensure it is properly locked in. Then turn on the knob. In a matter of 2 seconds, watch how it will roughly blend the pepper. Just look at how it blended the pepper in a matter of seconds. I tell you, every home needs this appliance. Now let's move to the next stage. We are also going to be using the cutting blade to chop our okra. Gone are the days whereby you want to cook your okra, you'll be using your grater. With this food processor, in a matter of seconds, you are good to go. Just ensure you cut this okra into smaller chunks, transfer into your processing bowl, and watch how the processor will do its job. Look at that, in seconds. So why not live the easy life instead of stressing yourself? So if you want an easy life, you need to get this, honestly speaking. So I'm going to be showing you another blade, which is the blunt blade. The blunt blade can be used to knead, it can be used to pound. So watch me as I use it to knead my dough here. So I poured my flour inside, my baking powder, my sugar, salt, nutmeg, and milk. So with the butter too. So I just poured everything inside the processor, add a little bit of milk, then turn on the knob and watch it in seconds. Mamma mia, I love this so much. I love this so much, I can tell you. I rate this processor 10/10, as in it can virtually do almost everything in the kitchen for you. Almost everything. You don't need to stress. You want to do your meat pie in a matter of an hour. This processor will help you out. See me using it to chop the cucumber too. So with the slicing blade, you just cut your cucumber into a size that can go through the lid, place it inside and turn on the knob. Voila, and it will do its job. Isn't that easy? Isn't that amazing? Who no love better thing? I like better thing. I don't want stress, my dear. So if you don't want to stress, you need to get one for yourself. Get one for your family. It's a multi-purpose appliance that every home must have. See how it slices the cucumber in a matter of minutes, not even up to minutes. In a matter of seconds, it did the job perfectly well. Just look at that. Look at that. See? You need to get it. I tell you, you need to get it. The days of shedding tears while cutting onions is over. With this super amazing product, you can shred or dice or cut your onions in seconds. So if you have that big party you want to do, you need a lot of onions that you want to use. This processor will do its job perfectly well. Then I have changed the blade to the potato chips blade. So all you need to do is just put the potato into the lid side, place it inside with the pusher, turn on the knob and wash it. Make your potato into chips in a matter of seconds. This is really nice. This is super nice. I love it so much. So using the cutting blade, watch how I was able to shred out these carrots in a matter of seconds. This product is super amazing. You can't help but have it. Another plus that came with this product is the citrus fruit juicer. I love it because you don't need to get a juicer separately. So with this processor, you can decide to juice out your orange, your lemon and the likes. Is really amazing. Just attach your citrus juice on top of the cone, apply pressure, turn on the knob and watch it juice out the citrus fruit in seconds. This is really nice. This is really good. So if you are yet to get yourself one, I advise you get this processor. It's a super amazing product. Every home deserves to have this because it makes life so easy and it's helps you to save time. Anytime you want to cook, you don't have to be in the kitchen for long. With this, you can be able to do many things in a matter of minutes, in a matter of hours. You can be calculative of whatever you want to do. At the end of the video, we're able to achieve all this. Knead our dough, slice our cucumber, shred our carrots, slice our onions, make our pepper, mince our meat, slice our okra, make our citrus juice and also the potato chips. So with all this, are you still going to remain in the past or join the future gang? So with all this, we were able to do many things with one kitchen appliance. So I recommend this for everyone. So if you are still struggling to do many things in the kitchen, wasting so much time, days of stressing is over. Get this kitchen appliance to help you elevate your cooking game, to help you save time and effort in the kitchen. Look at everything we're able to achieve by using just one particular kitchen appliance. It can even do much more than all you see on this table. It can also be used to mix your cake. You want to do your masa, you want to do your banana cake, you want to pound your yam. This appliance is everything and more, just like your cooking gas that you need in the kitchen. It's an essential kitchen appliance that every home must have. So if you got value in this video, ensure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a beautiful comment, and I'm going to see you in my next one. See you all and bye for now.